Before this trip began, John received a postcard from his parents, a simple letter but filled with so much love.
So this is the letter. Yeah, see, this is the front, this is a postcard, and this is a letter from my mom and dad. Do you remember?
We often ask ourselves, what makes a good life? Is it money, career, good food, health, or so many other things? But for us, it's moments with family that matter most.
Let's read it, okay? Dear John, Celeste, and Calista, thank you and your family for spending.
Oh, I got one. Daddy, passport photo.
Come on!
Merry Christmas!
Isod na rin tanan na. Isod na rin tanan.
In this video, we traveled to the United States to visit John's family. He hasn't seen his dad in 8 years, and the same with his sister. He also has cousins he hasn't seen since before. This trip is truly special. In this video, you'll see John's mom and dad, his older sister Rissa Mae, and her husband Val, along with their kids Javi and Carmen. You'll also meet John's youngest sister Chamaine, her husband Denzel, and their children Noah and Isaiah. And finally, us.
2, 3, go! Welcome to Grand Canyon!
After arriving in Los Angeles, we traveled straight to San Diego, where John's parents and his sister live. And then, that moment. A big hug from John's dad and mom.
Ayo kami rin outside eh.
Abot na, welcome to
Abot na yun ba din? Bless the Lord, bless the Lord. Bless the Lord, bless the Lord.
Welcome to America, baby. Welcome to America, baby. Welcome to America, baby.
Kuan ba? Sumugit pa pa.
Tayo isa nandun eh.
Kuan raman, okay raman
Dere,
food.
oras kali pa oh.
Bless Lolo, bless Lolo.
Please, Lolo.
Oh, don't be shy.
Oh, please, please.
Nauna mo na siya.
Nagbisita?
A moment words can't fully describe.
America, John, Celeste, and Carly.
Say America. Say.
Day 2, Disneyland. We visited with John's sister's family, Chamaine, Denzel, and Isaiah, and this was Calista's first time here. She was so excited. We arrived a bit late, so we knew we wouldn't experience everything, but honestly, that didn't matter. Seeing Calista and her cousins Isaiah holding hands, that moment alone made everything worth it. We took the train to the other side of the park, and wow, the experience was already amazing. Our first ride was It's a Small World. calm, colorful, and perfect for Calista. Our next ride was a bit tougher for her. I don't think she enjoyed it that much. Oh well. Because this photo is a must when you're here. It was very packed today. It's a holiday and you can really feel it. We experienced Finding Nemo, which the kids absolutely loved. And the carousel, simple, classic, and full of smiles. Then we met the Disney princesses. Seeing Calista's face when she saw them in real life, priceless. We wanted to watch the fireworks up close, but we ended up watching them from the parking lot. And you know what? It was still perfect. It was an amazing experience, especially sharing it with family, and I'm sure we'll be back here again in the future. Day 3 was simple.
Sa imong pinaka-proudest part sa imong life? Karon, so far good ba?
So far, I'm proud of my children that they are all stable in their job and their family. I'm happy with them. Despite that we have not much tried our best to send our children to school, they were able to finish. And now they're stable in their job. They're not depending on us. And we are the one who are depending on them.
John accompanied his dad to pick up his medicines at first, and then we did some groceries and then spent quality time at home. These quiet moments, we truly love them. Day 4. John attended his niece's performance and captured a few photo moments. Such a beautiful experience to witness. We then had lunch at Coronado. Mexican food, amazing views, and a peaceful walk around the area. After that, just more family time at home. This is what a good life looks like for us. Stay tuned for more days of our trip.